Hey guys, so in this video we're gonna be going eating at barbecue. Well, it's like a Mediterranean grill, but it's pronounced as barbecue, but they just put a Q, barbecue, and you know that's how you really say it. But I like to call it barbecue. Hey Isa, how are you? Good?
I'm hungry.
He's hungry. We're gonna go eat. All right, so I'll show you guys the restaurant, and yeah, let's go eat. Okay guys, we have reached, and so let me show you guys the menu. Right here. So I'm getting this half chicken right here. It has all of this right here, and then we're also getting one mixed family. Here. Yeah. So yeah, let's just we have ordered right now, and yeah, let's just wait for our meal, I guess. Alright guys, as you guys have seen, I have finished my salad.
When we grow
Yeah, that's how much of it left.
Mama, when we grow up, can I drive the car?
Yeah, now I'm just gonna wait for my half chicken to come, and I'll show you that too. Let's go. Alright guys, this is my half chicken here. We have a half chicken right there with a top on onions, and then this is a baba ganoush, and then it's good. Then we have French fries right there, pickle, and I think those are, I forgot what they're called. Thank you. And then wait, what's this?
This is
mixed plate. Mixed plate. And we have some kebabs there, some chicken with rice, pickles, tomatoes, and baba ganoush. It's the same thing basically, but just different protein, source of protein. And yeah, let's eat. Yeah, let's dig in. Alright guys, this is my green tea here. Really fresh, and it's very, very healthy. So let's take a sip of it. Wow, it just hits different than, you know, other soda and beverages. So yeah. It was really fresh, really nice, and the servers and waiters and waitresses were really excellent. I'd give this a 10 out of 10 from me, and yeah, you guys should check this place out too if you guys live near me or near this restaurant. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tune in for more videos in the future. Bye.